welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I've got something really fun and unique to show you. This is a product by Alumilite that you may have overlooked in our catalog. It's kind of mixed in there with all kinds of cool other things. But this one's a really unique product, and then it's so handy and versatile. So for those of you that like, maybe have some crafting sort of crossover, or maybe just some three-dimensional objects that you incorporate into your work, this is kind of like perfect because this is handy, easy to use, non-toxic, and so you don't have to worry when you're using this. It's not like super smelly or anything like that. This is called the Alumilite casting resin. And we are going to be using that in conjunction with the Alumilite mold putty that we've already featured in another video. So if you haven't seen that one and you're interested in how we created these simple molds, you can just reference that video. These are really, really easy to use. And I'm going to show you how to use this in conjunction with these molds that we've already made. So when you get the box, you will notice that my dogs are barking again at people who are not any kind of threat. But that is my life. So you will actually get 2 bottles in this box. And the cool part is that this is a simple 1-to-1 ratio. You get like these little measuring cups like they would get for Dymatap or whatever. And you mix it equal parts by volume. So it's kind of a little bit of a guessing game as to how much you need to get this to work out. But trust me, it does work out. It's really, really great. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and it's a brand new bottle that I have not opened. Take this, and we're going to put just a little bit in there. We don't need a ton. So 1-to-1, the exact amount. So I got like 5 milliliters in there right now. We're going to put another 5 in there if Jules can get it open. It's super easy, as you can see. Watch this. There we go. So we're going to mix another 5 milliliters in there. Now, the thing to become aware of is it kind of looks like white Zinfandel when you put it in there. But you will mix it with like either a plastic picnic knife, or here I got like a popsicle stick. You'll notice it gets cloudy the minute that you start mixing it. You mix it for maybe 45 to 60 seconds. When it turns clear, that's when it's ready to go. So you just keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. And all of a sudden, dun dun dun, no way. Totally cool. It is clear. Ready to go. That's how you know when it's ready to pour. So we're going to set our little popsicle stick aside. We already have our molds set up here. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. The very, very cool part about this is that you don't need any kind of elaborate release material in order to get this to pop out. And it takes all of about 10 minutes before it's fully cured. So we will go ahead and pour these in here. And you will see them start to turn cloudy in the center as it cools. If you are playing with it a little longer, you will notice that it gets warm in the cup. And that's just the chemical reaction working and stuff like that. But as this cools, it will turn white. These are some pieces that we already have cast with this resin. It is fantastic. It is super inexpensive. It's great because when you pop it out of the mold, you can easily trim it. Like I used cuticle scissors to get any kind of rough edges off of here. Also a fingernail file to file it down so it's perfectly, shaped and you get exactly the detail that you want. It's easy to paint, easy to finish, easy to play with. You can drill holes if you wanted to make jewelry. Totally cool. I'm actually going to do a little something with this piece right here. We're going to make a piece. We'll show you what it results in at the end. But if you haven't thought about it, this stuff is amazing. It's called Alumilite casting resin, and it is fantastic, and we are sure that you will enjoy.